Right there is the remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice on the left side of the remote there is that button that says push. First, we'll have to press that button like that and then slide the key outwards. Once the key is slided out, now the side where you see the buttons right there, we'll have to keep that side downwards just like that and keep the logo portion on the top. While the logo portion is at the top, we'll use the same key that we just took out. We'll use the top portion of it. We'll slide in the top portion where we took out the key from and then slightly tilt the key. There it is, the top portion comes out like that. Now we'll grab the top portion and completely take it outwards. And right there you see the battery for this remote. Now we'll hold on to the module just like that. And then we'll use a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver on the edge to pull out the battery. There it is, we were able to pull out the battery just like that, and this is the kind of battery needed for this remote. It is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure there are two tabs on the module right there. We have to slide in the battery in those two tabs first. Once the battery is slided in, then we will just push the battery down. There it is, battery is in completely. Now we're good to punch in the other portion of the remote itself. Before punching in the other cover, just make sure the module is sitting properly from all over the edges, and it seems like it is. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the other portion on top. We'll make sure the cover is aligned properly from all over the edges. And once the top cover is aligned properly, then we will just press it down from all over the corners. There it is, it seems like it is completely in from all over the edges. Now we will go ahead and slide in the key. With the key slided in, that wraps up the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.